In our previous video, we discussed shelterwood harvests. A shelterwood harvest removes some overstory trees to create better growing conditions to establish competitive oak seedlings in a stand. The next step in the process of encouraging the growth of these young oak trees is a harvest to remove most of the remaining overstory trees. This type of harvest is called an overstory removal. An overstory removal leaves only a few scattered large trees so that the plants on the forest floor experience full sun growing conditions when the harvest is completed. Oak seedlings need this higher level of sunlight to continue to grow and eventually become the next canopy trees. But undesirable and invasive species can thrive in full sun growing conditions as well. To be sustainable, harvest planning must consider not only the trees that will be removed, but also those that will be left behind to become the next forest. It is essential that seedlings of desirable tree species are abundant and that invasive species are controlled prior to the cut. If the overstory trees are removed before these conditions are met, the result could be a stand dominated by undesirable or invasive species that will be much more difficult to control in the future. A sustainable overstory removal creates young forest habitat, which offers great food and cover for wildlife. The dense understory here provides great cover for young birds. Plants like raspberries and blackberries will offer an abundance of food for a variety of wildlife. Young forest is especially important for many declining bird species, such as the golden-winged warbler and American woodcock.